In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Upwork, making it easier for you to present your skills and past work to potential clients. Let's get started right away. First, navigate to the Upwork homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering Upwork's URL in the address bar. Once the homepage is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you will see a button labeled Your Profile. Click on it to be directed to your profile page. Here, the next part of the process will unfold. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll want to locate and click on the Portfolio section. This is where you'll begin building your showcase. Look for a plus sign or any indication of adding new content. This is typically found near the top of the Portfolio section. By clicking on this icon, you are initializing the creation of a new portfolio item. The first thing you need to fill out is the project title. Make sure it's descriptive and intriguing enough to catch someone's attention at a glance. Remember, this is your chance to make a great first impression, so choose a title that accurately reflects the project while also hinting at the quality and creativity involved. Following the project title, you'll need to specify your role in the project. Clearly stating what you did will help potential clients understand your capabilities and expertise. Whether you were an editor, designer, or developer, this is your opportunity to highlight your contribution and skills. Next, move on to the project description. Here you can go into more detail about what the project entailed, the problem it solved, or the impact it had. This section should give a thorough overview of your work, so it's wise to fine-tune your language for clarity and engagement. The subsequent step involves listing the skills and deliverables associated with the project. This can include both the tools you used and the end products you delivered. Doing so will give clients an insight into what they can expect if they choose to work with you. Now, it's time to add content. This step is crucial as it visually supports your written descriptions, providing clients with tangible evidence of your skills. You have the option to include various types of content such as images, videos, links, and files, so choose what best showcases your work. Once you've added your content, click on the button that says Next Preview. This allows you to review the entire setup of your portfolio item, ensuring everything looks professional and appealing. After previewing, if everything looks great, you'll proceed to click on Next Thumbnail to choose a thumbnail image that best represents the project. Thumbnails are important because they're often the first thing people see. Finally, click Publish to make your portfolio item live. Once done, you can conclude the process by clicking the Done button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a portfolio item on Upwork, ready to impress potential clients with a well-crafted display of your work.